Hello and welcome to this complete course in water distribution modeling. The goal of this course is to cover almost everything one needs to build water distribution models, do calibrations and quality checks on your model, do assessments and analysis of different scenarios. We will also be looking at the theory behind the water distribution modeling softwares. So this is going to be a lot of fun. As you can see from this picture, AI seemed to have its view on water distribution systems, and if you too are unsure about what water distribution systems are and how we model them, you will, after completing this course, have the knowledge to understand, evaluate, and use water distribution models to do all sorts of relevant assessments. For the purpose of this course, I have created a fictional water distribution system that we will build, calibrate, and use to do different analysis. So here is the water distribution system of Fictionville Municipality. As we can see from this map, there is a water source in the north, the water treatment plant delivers water to the water tower, and then the water is transported to the different areas through the piping system. We have a pressure reducing valve here and a pumping station here. I will try to cover as much as I can on the topic of water distribution systems and how we model it in computer programs. In this course, we will start with the fundamentals before we move on to create a water distribution model, building the components, and setting up our system before running simulations and interpreting results. Do quality checks on our model, exploring the possibilities to calibrate our model, then moving on to use the model for all sorts of assessments, like fire flow analysis, modeling meshes to evaluate their potential effect, redundancy assessments, water supply reserve measures, and using a model to evaluate population growth and how it could affect our water distribution systems. And there is so much more you can do with a water distribution model. So learning this skill will set you up to do all sorts of assessments to make more informed decisions. So yeah, we will cover a lot in this course. When I was starting out, I was disappointed by the lack of information on this topic. It seemed to me like much of the information could only be gained through practical experience. So I hope that this series on water distribution modeling will give both practical and theoretical insights that will catapult your journey in the field of water distribution systems.